a go and hold me own. Me a go and hold me own, you know. Me a go and hold me own, you know. Me a go and hold me own, you know. Yeah, me as a killer. Good night, one and all. I want dan. You don't know. Hey, yeah, hear me? I want to give killer for what him say. That's what I say, because big mistake that killer make. But a sign gotta show killer still. Bounty killer, big up yourself. I do a guys and me say. Because you was the first artist. Before Cartel boss, everybody do listen to Bounty Killer and Beanie Man. You see what I say? Yeah, no found out because I'm confused now, but me not care. The truth me I tell you now. Yeah, but Cartel come and run off the thing right now. So a guys and me say, straight. You see me? Anyway, a Bounty Killer. So they up on stage I burn out the freak them. And I say, you're gonna burn out whatsoever. And then you're gonna make a mistake and say, man about. Killer, a sign gotta show your brother. Love the freak them alone. Love the Batman them alone, brother. You see me? The Bible don't tell us say, yo, him God will deal with them. And who deal with Sodom and Gomorrah? No God. So how you go on like say, if you are just straight man killer, go and live your life and love the freak them. Because see there, if you continue to burn them out, you're gonna make a bigger mistake and then everybody gonna lock you off a good killer. Everybody in Jamaica respect and rate you, you know. But the mistake the way you make, a sign gotta show you. You have to take up too much in your hand right now. Love that killer. Just focus on your music. You see me I say. But then at the ghetto, and a whole lot of things me see, I'm in a chat. Even though people say me I'm informer. But hear me I say killer. Respect your same way. And big up yourself. You see what I say, what a guys and me say straight. And Jamaica forgive you. Yeah. Some people are got when I read a channel like you, I go say boy them not forgive you. You say it willfully. Me now go say you say it willfully. So me I say killer, big up yourself, cause mistake. Anybody can make mistake. That's what me I say killer. Straight. Big up yourself. You don't know it go.